Hi, I'm Cameron from Wood Floor Care, and today I want to talk to you guys about the purple ceramic system from Starke. So the purple Starke ceramic system has been put in place, and there's lots of benefits to them, but I'll tell you the main reason that we got them in stock here at Ultimate Floor Care is because we know how time is money for you guys, and always changing your abrasive can be a pain with downtime and also going through so many boxes. And with these purple ceramics, they are going to last a lot longer, so you won't be changing them as much. They don't clog up as much, so we can use them for many different types of abrasive, and many different types of the floors. And also in the fine area of this system, you can get optimum scratch pattern. So when we're putting the finish down, we don't see any scratches in the floor if we follow the whole process. So they have a semi-open coat on them, so it reduces the clogging from anything from a pine up to an oak. If we have a high resinous floor, we will still get a bit of clogging, but it just reduces it by having that semi-open scatter on them. The way that these ceramics fracture is every time that they wear down and they fracture a slight bit off, it opens up and creates a new cutting edge. And if we'd have a look at this on the board, we would see that there is very tiny fragments that come off every time it wears, compared to other things like aluminium oxide, silica carbide and zirconia, where they come off in quite large shards, so we don't have as much working time with them. Where these, they come off in very small shards, so every time that we have a shard fracture off the abrasive, it creates a new cutting edge, so it'll be just as sharp as it was when you first put it on the floor, letting it last longer for you without messing around with how the finish looks on the floor. So available here in Ultimate Floor Care, 150mm to use on things like the Flexi Sand, 150mm edges or any other 150mm machine. We also have it in the belt form, so these are 200/750 belts. Here we have 100 grit, we're going from 36 up to 120 in the 150mm discs and in the belts. But don't just take my word for it here at Ultimate Floor Care. If you guys want to try out yourself, come onto our website or give us a call and order yours today and give me your feedback on them.